Russia intensifies drone attacks in Ukraine, targeting critical infrastructure.
Chinese drones dominate global conflict. Are we unknowingly arming our adversaries?
Ukraine is a war in the electromagnetic spectrum.
Iranian missile strikes escalate. Intelligence sources warn of growing regional unrest.
U.S. military conducting surveillance flights for reconnaissance along the Mexico border.
Record illegal crossings put national security on high alert.
Drug cartels are using advanced technology to evade law enforcement.
The battlefield has evolved, and war is also fought in the electromagnetic spectrum. Enemies jam communications, hijack signals, and disrupt operations. Control of the spectrum means dominance. The question is, are we ready? For decades, adversaries have refined electronic warfare, largely without us. The future of warfare is electronic, and it's happening now. On the ground, every second counts. GlobalEdge sends real-time alerts to any device, giving operators enhanced situational awareness and command and control at the tactical advantage. Incoming threats are identified before they can act. Enemy positions are marked instantly. Tactical teams move with certainty, knowing they are armed with the most advanced electronic warfare capabilities ever developed. At sea, threats emerge rapidly, often disguised until the final moments. GlobalEdge eliminates uncertainty by detecting and identifying potential threats miles before they reach our forces. Every movement is tracked. Every signal is analyzed. Before a threat becomes a danger, it can be neutralized. GlobalEdge provides the decisive edge that ensures our naval superiority. The skies are no longer uncontested. Unmanned systems operate faster than ever, evolving in real time to disrupt military operations. But with GlobalEdge, drones do more than just fly. They listen, sense, and learn new unknown frequencies to achieve mission objectives. Multiple targets are identified and analyzed across the entire battle space. No signal goes unnoticed. The battlefield is evolving. The threats are mounting. To win in this new era, we must own the spectrum, predicting, adapting, and acting before the enemy. GlobalEdge delivers that capability. It's not just technology, it's the future of warfare. The time is now. Stay ahead. See the unseen.